Satyanarayana Jagambodi spoken English class. We have discussed some structures previously. We have 12 tenses totally in all. In those, now I am going to explain past continuous tense. Already I have explained present continuous tense, future continuous tense and past continuous tense. Now I am going to explain. In continuous, there are three tenses: present tense, present continuous, past continuous and future continuous. Already explained present continuous and future continuous. Now past continuous. So continuous means going on actions. Already you know very well. But all these save in your brain and practice well. Then only you can easily speak out, communicate with your friends or farthest anyone's, any public speaking. You can easily interact in English. Know the concept well. What is the concept here? Past continuous tense structure. We use be forms, was, were as helping verbs. Was, were as helping verbs in past continuous tense. Here, as usual, is the positive, negative sentences we have in question side, interrogative questions and WH questions. Now here, the subjective pronouns I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Subjective pronouns. Always along with I in past tense, in past continuous tense, I was, we were, you were, they were, he was, she was, it was. When the subject is plural, we use were. When the subject is singular, we use was in past tense, past continuous tense. Okay. Then, as usual, action word, the same uses of these three continuous tenses. The change is only in the be form, helping verb. The remaining we form, ing form of the base form, ing form of the base form. Next, place V4, and here negative, not plus V4, not plus V4. Yesterday, when I came to your house, what were you doing? Or were you watching movie? Or was she playing chess? Was your sister playing chess? Like that type of conversations, we use this structure and sentences, not plus V4. In interrogative, of course, were you? First ask, were you place V4? When I came to your house yesterday, on Sunday, last Sunday, were you sleeping? Yes, I was. Yes, I was. Plus V4. Yes, I was sleeping. Last Sunday, when you came to my house, I was sleeping. I was playing. No, I was not, or I wasn't. We use wasn't also. I wasn't. I was not. Plus V4. The same question We change the subject. Was you or was he? Was he plus V4? Was he? Was she plus V4? Of course, the answers, if you write here, was, yes, he. Know how to ask questions and how to respond answers. So everybody know compulsory knows three things: how to ask WH questions, how to ask yes or no answer questions. First know how to ask questions, then know how to respond answers. Be always good responding, be always good asking questions. Then automatically you will be improved. Don't stop practicing. Here, were you plus V4? Were you? Here, what were you playing yesterday? By this time, we were playing yesterday cricket. By this time, this means we were playing by this time yesterday cricket. We were playing that action movie yesterday by this time. Where were they playing? Yesterday by this time they were playing at school ground. They were playing. It's past continuous. In simple past tense, how would you ask question? Where did they play? Yesterday, they played school ground. At school ground yesterday, they played. That's only the simple past tense action. This is past continuous. That's why we use the helping verb, be form, was or were, and add ing to the base form. Here, was she playing chess last Sunday? Yes, she was playing chess at evening last Sunday. No, she was not playing. Was he watching movie yesterday by this time? Yes, he was watching movie yesterday by this time, sir. The same way, if any need to interact in past continuous actions, use like this and write some more conversations, your own. Practice with your sibling or friends daily. And also guys, in WhatsApp also, if you want to chat with your friends, don't use normal WhatsApp sentences or WhatsApp language. Use always the structural language and clear English language. Not generally using so many of Vastunnava, Vastano, no Vastava. Just they type only the letters in English. It's not completely meaning in English. Telugu sentences they translate so many of translate only the English letters only. But you don't chat like that. If you want to chat with your friends or sibling neighbors, so complete use English language. Okay, wish you good luck.